Just sit tight.
Just sit tight.
Now just sit tight and don't worry.
Sit tight, I gotta fix this.
I'll make a phone call. Just sit tight.
Everybody sit tight. I'm getting off for a minute.
Hey, sit tight. Melina just got here with Quaid.
Sit tight and keep your mouth shut.
Sit tight, detective.
No way glasses.
Look, I can't not be involved. I know, and I'll call you. Just sit tight.
Then I'll sit tight and wait to hear from you.
Sit tight, and we'll keep you alive.
I have friends in the region. Just sit tight. I'll send someone to get you out of here.
Sit tight. Put direct pressure on that. I'll be back in a sec.
I can't, Lucius.
Well, then sit tight.
I can't get free, I'm stuck.
It's okay, we'll get you out of there, all right? You just sit tight.
Good. And I'll do what?
You're gonna sit tight. We're on it.
Wait, no, I gotta go in with you.
You just sit tight. I'll be fine.
Wait, no.
Just tell her to sit tight. I'm coming for her.
No, Mom, you sit tight. She'll call you later.
Now you get me out of here and I'll go take care of it. I'm gonna be relieved in a couple of minutes. So just shut up and sit tight.
Let me put the mask back on. I breathe better with it.
Okay, you're right. Sit tight.
Just sit tight. We'll get by. We'll make it.
Sorry, Jesse.